The painting is a surreal, playful moment of magic where a blank canvas suddenly transforms into a vivid image, a number, their chosen card, a color, or even a whimsical twist featuring the Mona Lisa revealing their selection. A visual change that feels impossible, organic, and unforgettable. Works with any USPCC deck. The cards are fully examinable both before the routine begins and again at the end.
You're about to see a card trick that you haven't seen before, because it starts like a normal card trick, but it doesn't end like one. I'll show you what I mean. First of all, say stop anywhere. Stop. Okay, take this card, show it to the camera. Free choice, right? Put it back right there and keep it. Okay, so this is the normal card trick part, okay? But for the second part, I've employed this card right here. This is an empty canvas, okay? Now, I need you to examine this card, make sure there's no invisible ink here or anything like that. Not that you would know that there's invisible ink here, but what's more important is that side. Okay. The colors, right? So, do you have a favorite color, by the way?
Yes, the blue.
Mine is red. But we're going to come up with a new one, okay? Just a random one. So just, I'll go like that. You say stop anywhere, okay?
Okay. Stop.
Okay, so green, right? Press your finger right there and keep repeating your card in your head. Don't name it out loud, okay?
Okay.
So do it now. Keep repeating the card. Five of clubs.
Yes.
5 of clubs, correct?
Yes.
I think if you turn over this card,
Oreos.
Thank you so much. I think it's done. Let's see if Mona Lisa has found your card.
No way, that's the card.
Yeah, that's the
5 cards. Oh my god. Wow. Nice job.
The Painting by Nikolas Mavresis.